Hey, today we have a delicious asparagus soup that's vegan but still creamy and satisfying. First, we saute the aromatics in a little olive oil or veggie broth if you're oil-free. Then we add the fresh sliced asparagus and saute for about 5 minutes. Cut them small for a quicker cooking time. Add the salt, black pepper, coriander, and some flour. The flour is optional, but it will help thicken the soup slightly. Incorporate that until well combined, then add the veggie broth and peas. Bring it up to a boil, then simmer partially covered for about 15 minutes until the asparagus has softened. Use an immersion blender or a regular blender to puree the soup. The regular blender does a better job if you want it smooth with no chunks, but do it in batches or end up with a mess. When you get the consistency you want, add the coconut milk and lemon juice and taste for any adjustments. I garnish my soup with chives, which seems to be the only thing I don't kill in my garden, and I added these chive blossoms, which are edible and make for a nice presentation. Take a look at the post for this recipe on Nuts and Twigs for other garnish ideas and for the recipe details. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my newsletter on Nuts and Twigs for the latest.